The new 2022 Porsche Macan crossover SUV is a great performer on the road and in the showroom. Porsche has sold over 600,000 examples of the model since its release in 2014, with 140,000 of those cars coming to the US. Drive a Macan and you realize why the sales statistics are no surprise. The compact SUV is a more approachable and more practical Porsche for people who want a fun machine to drive without enduring a true sports car's compromises. Its agile and fast form makes you want to buy it the second you try it. Porsche has removed the Macan turbo trim, but the base S and GTS model Macans all receive hotter engines. Essentially, each variant gets either more power or the engine from the previous year's next level up trim level. As the top model in the lineup, the 2022 Porsche Macan GTS stands out with unique accents that set it apart from the base and S trims. The front end has revised air intakes for better cooling, and the bodywork receives new side blades with GTS badging. The Macan GTS is decked with black accents, including window trim, mirror caps, and a rear spoiler. There are matte black aero skirts all around and a rear diffuser in the same color. The interior is filled with carbon fiber accents, from door panels and dash to the suede steering wheel spokes. An analog clock is standard, as are several GTS-specific accents, such as door sill protectors and powered seats with GTS logo stitching. Yellow carbon ceramic brake calipers, which won't be available on the Macan in the US, unfortunately. The 2022 Porsche Macan GTS sets a high bar for high-performance crossovers, and Porsche says it is the best-performing Macan yet. And because the Macan Turbo model is no more, at least for now, its 434 horsepower 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine now powers the Macan GTS. When we tested the previous version of the Macan GTS, it exhibited rocket-like acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour took just 3.9 seconds. And to think, that car was down on power and wore less sticky tires than the example we tested here. Its 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission delivered swift gear changes and anticipated upshifts and downshifts well. In the most aggressive Sport Plus drive mode, the steering wheel-mounted paddles, which feel as solid as an ingot and click with a satisfying resistance, summon satisfying shifts. The exhaust sounds really good as the V6 emits ferocious snorts. Standard adjustable air suspension helps the Macan remain capable both as a luxuriously comfortable commuter and an agile canyon carver. With the ride height set to its lowest setting, the 2022 Porsche Macan GTS sits 10 mm lower than the S model. It's so low it could easily be taken for a hot hatchback rather than a crossover SUV. This translates to an extraordinarily fun time on our favorite roads in the Los Angeles area, and it will do so on your favorite roads too. Porsche's Power Steering Plus is standard, and it provides great feel and feedback. Steering weight is excellent, and a sharp ratio is conducive to enthusiastic sprints through the hillside. Updates for the interior are similarly subtle. A redesigned center console is the primary change, offering haptic touch elements for a cleaner look while also offering more storage. A shorter gear stalk extends from the console, and the driver takes care of business with a new steering wheel adopted from the 911. In the center, you'll find a 10.9-inch touchscreen and the standard-issue analog clock. A bevy of driver assist and safety systems such as park assist, lane keep assist, and other features are available. As for pricing, Porsche says the 2022 Macan starts at $54,900. The Macan S starts at $65,400, while the flagship GTS starts at $79,000. $1,350 in delivery charges is extra across the board, and all trims will reach dealerships in early 2022.
Subscribe to Auto TV.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.